right, today we're gonna bring a car ramp with lifts. All right, now it has jacks installed. All right, and right now this box is over 50 pounds, so just make sure you're aware not to do it yourself. You could take each item by itself to limit the actual weight, but we're gonna set this up today and I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, let me show you a side profile of the actual unit itself. So one thing that you gotta do when you get out of the box, these screws right here are a little loose, so you got to tighten them up. All right, so make sure that the jack is well secure. All right, now they do give you 2 of these poles because this is going to help you lift the actual car after it gets lifted. Now these pins, there's 2 pins in here. All right, once it lifts, you see the circles in there? There's a circle in here, you guys can see it, and right there the actual pins are to permanently hold the actual car in place in case the jack ever fails, or as a security precaution. All right, so it's to lock it in place. All right, something very important when you're lifting the actual system, when you lock it in place and you lift it going up, and you want to bring it down, all you got to do is don't put your hand in there. I did that mistake, but I'm telling you guys not to do it. You got to bring it down like that, and this thing goes down. All right, so using the same stick you lift it, bringing it down too also. All right, very important for your safety. All right, so here we have the actual system. We're gonna bring this car. Now you got to make sure you get it for the proper car because it has to be a smaller size wheels, but they do sell different sizes. All right, so right now currently we have a Toyota. We're gonna set it up here and we're gonna light it up. So what you want to do is bring your car as much as further as possible in the front so you can actually line it up. So right now we're gonna line it up. All right, so here we are. We have them set, so we're gonna jack it up right now. That's one thing we're gonna do. All right, on this part, you're gonna need another helper on the one side. So you have to lift it at the same time. So we're counting every time we lift the actual truck. This is a very dangerous part, so just make sure you have somebody that you're gonna be able to lift it. Once you set it up, you also make sure you secure your pins, all right, onto the level that you want. Don't just put the pins right away. You gotta wait until the level that you require, and then you're able to set up the pins. All right, we're gonna set up the locks in here. All right, to secure your stands, there's the locks. All right, you can lift it really high right now. We're at the first level right now, but we're not gonna lift it any higher. But look how much space you have inside. Plenty of space. So just make sure you do the locks, all right, when you finish this out. Now, one problem I did run into, we had to put it in the grass because on the cement it was rolling a little bit. So make sure you have some stumps, or you have to put it on your gear, right? So it won't do traction. Take off tractions when you're doing stuff like this. Very simple. Now just be careful, make sure you do supervise or you have experience. All right, right here we're gonna unlock it, right? And to unlock, we remove the safety locks first, right? This is mandatory on both sides, safety locks, all right? And then we're gonna bring it down at the same time. To bring it down, you're gonna have to twist this. Bringing it down, just twist of that, and that's it, all right? Yeah. So, twisting it down, you put it in here, and you just twist it. Overall, if you guys are looking for a great product like this to lift your car, not just the extra lift that you have underneath the actual car, but you have extra extended lift because of the actual hydraulics. Now, this thing, the only problem I saw that it slips off, so just make sure you do have maybe a stopper in one end, or put it in the proper way, or also take out the 4-wheel drive on your car. Make sure it's not doing the traction. That's important. Get rid of the traction and it's going to work right. Overall, this thing weighs about 20 pounds, 20 to 30 pounds by itself. So just make sure that you're going to move these and store them. You're going to have plenty of space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.